Fix Roblox connection error. Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to fix and solve this problem on your Roblox. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, what you should do, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. And after this, go and open apps or applications. Here you have to search for Roblox. And when you found Roblox, open it like this, then go to storage option and click on clear cache. Also go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to remove permission if app is unused. You have to turn off it like this and turn on it like this, and that's it. Your problem on your Roblox will be fixed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.